Welcome back to our channel Insider Beats. So Katran Ke Khiladi is starting now. Celebs leave for Cape Town from Shweta Tiwari to Rahul Vaidya. Will stun with stunts. Filmmaker Rohit Shetty is back with the most popular adventure-based reality show Katran Ke Khiladi 11. The show features many TV celebrities taking part in high-octane stunts and tasks to win the ultimate Khiladi title. Every year, the show is shot in different locations all over the world. This year, TV actors like Arjun Bijlani, Abhinav Shukla, Nikki Kamboli, Rahul Vaidya, Divyanka Tripathi and others flew to Cape Town to begin the shoot. The contestants were accompanied by their loved ones who came to drop them at the airport as they board the adventure flight. Rahul Vaidya Bigg Bash 14 first runner-up Rahul Vaidya arrived at the airport with his fiancée Disha Parmar. The TV actress told the paparazzi that she doesn't want him to go and leave her alone. The duo looked much in love as they bid their goodbye. He expressed how excited he was about participating and facing his fears. Well, as per reports, Rahul is the highest paid contestant of this season of KKK. Divyanka Tripathi Dahiya Ye Hai Mohabbatein actress Divyanka Tripathi Dahiya was also accompanied by her husband Vivek Dahiya at the airport. Vivek wishes her good luck and was seen giving her a hug. Fans are excited to see their favorite Bahu perform hardcore stunts on the reality show. She is among the highest paid Indian celebrities on the small screen. The actress is also the most followed on Instagram with a whopping 14.1 million followers on the photo sharing app. Divyanka shot to fame with Ye Hai Mohabbatein as the much loved Ishita Balla.
It will be interesting to see Divyanka's adventurous side on KKK 11. Nikki Kamboli is a well-known actress, dancer famous for working in South films.
She participated in the last season of Salman Khan's Bigg Boss and garnered a lot of fans. Nikki recently lost her brother to COVID-19 and is totally shaken by the sudden demise. Next is Abhinav Shukla. He made many headlines while he was in Bigg Boss 14 with his wife Rubina Dilek. The actor loves adventure and treats himself to an exotic vacation full of spontaneity every now and then. Abhinav Shukla has worked in quite a few TV shows. However, more than his acting side, he is famous for being an adventure freak. If you follow him on Instagram, then you would know how he keeps going on trekking and camping to explore new places. He is a backpacker who loves living life at the edge. Then the next contestant is Arjun Bijlani. He has been prepping himself for Katran Ke Khiladi 11. The actor revealed that the game is not just about physical strength but also mental balance. He is all set to perform deadly stunts and return as a winner. Arjun is one of the most popular actors in the television industry. He had appeared in some of the most super hit shows of all time including Mai Jab Hum Tum Aur Nagan. Recently, Arjun Bijlani shared pictures with his mother before leaving for the shoot of Katran Ke Khiladi 11. Varun Sood actor model Varun Sood has already been a part of many reality shows like Roadies, Splitsvilla 9 and Ace of Space. He also loves adventure and looking forward to having a great time. He was accompanied by his girlfriend Divya Agrawal to the airport. Next is Vishal Aditya Singh. He is all set to win hearts in his third reality show Katran Ke Khiladi 11. He has been earlier seen in Nag Baliye 9 and Bigg Boss 13. TV actor Vishal Aditya Singh is also one of the contenders this season. The actor made his television debut with Chandragupta Maurya. He later appeared in Nag Baliye 9 and Bigg Boss 13. He made a lot of headlines for his fights with ex-girlfriend actress Madhurima Tuli. Astha Gill is another singer besides Rahul Vaidya to participate in KKK 11. The singer shot to fame when she did playback with Badshah in the song DJ Bale Babu. It'll be fun to watch her battle her fears with this season. Anushka Sen is the youngest contestant to ever participate in the history of Katran Ke Khiladi. Just recently, Anushka had confirmed her participation and expressed that it is the only show she loves to watch as an actor and it would be a great opportunity for her to show a different side of herself. Sana Maqbool is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Doon. Actress Sana Maqbool is next in line to join the new season of Katran Ke Khiladi 11. In her latest chat with a tabloid, Sana shared that she has always been a fan of the adventurous thrills that Katran Ke Khiladi has to offer. She is super thrilled to be a part of the show. Actress Sana Maqbool is seen in many TV shows like Kitni Mohabbat Hai, Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Doon, Aadat Se Majboor and Wish. Saurabh Raj Jain in one of his latest posts, Saurabh, who is popular for playing Krishna in Mahabharat, talked about ticking something off our bucket list, thrills, adventure and adrenaline rush. We are sure he was talking about Cartoon Ke Khiladi 11 here. Fans are super excited to see him in different avatar after his spiritual characters. Mahek Chahal, actress and Bigg Boss 5 runner-up Mahek will return to reality shows after a long time with Cartoon Ke Khiladi 11 Shweta Tiwari is grabbing all the attention on social media as she inspires people with her fabulous fitness. She was seen as Prerana Sharma in Kasauti Zindagi Ke, Sweetie in Parvarish and Bindya Thakur in Begusarai. She has participated in the reality shows Bigg Boss 4, Comedy Circus Ka Naya Daur and Jhalak Dikhla Ja, the former two of which she won. Everyone was surprised to see her at airport, when she was leaving with other contestants. All the celebrities were seen in the mask following the COVID-19 protocols. Isn't the contestant list of KKK 11 all things interesting? Subscribe our channel for all the updates.